Horses is something that all of us have heard about, especially used predominantly in Vastu. But have you ever wondered the number of horses also plays a whether or actually the number of horses play the important role and its association to what attributes to manifest? The reason why I'm saying this is there are multiple figurines of horses that are there which have different energies that they help in manifesting. Like we have two red horses, we have two white horses, we have 12 pair of red horses, we also have 12 pair of white horses. Likewise, today we will be talking about 12 pair of red horses and its association in what into manifesting, and also we'll be looking at understanding which is the right zone to place it. Firstly, you will be able to buy from any genuine store or near you or an online platform that is genuine and authentic. You will be able to find 12 horses red figurine. Once you have this, it is best to be placed in the south zone because one, the color red is associated to fire and this is best to be placed in the fire zone. And why south zone in particular is because south is related to fame and recognition. And for those of you wanting to get opportunities, especially for those in marketing or increasing sales, it's best to keep it in this zone. Having your placement in south is important, but make sure the idol faces towards your north because north deals with money. It also deals with any kind of promotions or possibility of monetary gains in terms of sales and stuff. So make sure it's placed in the south zone, but it faces or looks towards the north zone of your space. This is the only thing that you have to look into while applying the remedy. Also, how to go about applying the remedy is that you have to stand in the center of your space, locate your south zone, and then keep this remedy here. Make sure you keep it either on a stool or a table and you keep cleaning it regularly. Also, make sure that none of the Vastu remedies that you apply are not prayed for. They're simply supposed to be kept in a space to reap the benefits. But most importantly, also note that the entire space of is balanced according to Vastu, or any defects or negative spaces are corrected before applying any remedy. Otherwise, they would counteract.